Let's introduce a tool for repetitive operations. Here we can see the holes on the board that are created using the sketch points and the need of hole function. The classic problem arises if I want to create these holes on different boards from different sides. Our repetitive operation tool can multiply the selected hole operation by its selection. Next, I select the points I want to multiply the hole along, and finally I select the sides for the other boards from the drilling direction. When you click Apply, the holes are multiplied according to your selection. Here we see the holes already created on all selected sides. Similar to how we multiplied the holes within a certain part, we can also multiply the selected sketch with all dependencies through this tool. The next step is to select the planes on which we want to place the next sketches. After clicking on Apply, a copy of the original sketch is created, which I can edit individually as needed. Here we can see such a case of modification. We hope you like the ad.